Proactive advice was unheard of with older tools. It's like having expert consultants available 24/7. The AI acts as an intelligent assistant. It handles tedious calculations with superhuman speed and accuracy. This frees up the engineer to focus on creative aspects, the aesthetics, sustainability, and how people will use the space. It's a partnership where technology enhances human ingenuity, leading to better, more thoughtful engineering outcomes for everyone. One of the biggest features everyone raves about is the incredible speed. What used to take days of manual work can now be done in minutes or even seconds. An engineer can input parameters for a complex beam, and the AI will run thousands of simulations almost instantly. This speed allows engineers to explore dozens of different options, materials, sizes, support configurations. They can experiment to find the most optimal, cost-effective, elegant solution. This rapid iteration was simply impossible before. Another huge benefit is the pinpoint accuracy. Human error is natural, but in engineering, it can have catastrophic consequences. An AI calculator eliminates the risk of simple math mistakes. It performs every calculation with perfect precision, every single time. The AI cross-references calculations with vast databases of building codes and material standards from around the world. This ensures every design is mathematically correct and fully compliant with safety regulations. This gives engineers and clients peace of mind, knowing the structure is as safe as it can possibly be. What makes this technology amazing is its accessibility. In the past, advanced software was extremely expensive and complicated, but today, many AI beam calculators are available as user-friendly web apps and mobile apps. Some are even free for students. The interfaces are intuitive, with drag-and-drop elements and clear visual feedback. You no longer need to be a programming genius. This accessibility is a game changer. Small engineering companies, independent contractors, can now compete with larger firms. Students can learn with real-world problems. DIY enthusiasts can use these tools. The AI makes sophisticated engineering principles understandable for a wider audience. The most important impact of AI beam calculators is the dramatic improvement in safety. Every engineer's primary responsibility is to protect the public. By ensuring every calculation is precise and every design is double-checked against safety codes, AI tools act as a powerful safety net. The AI can flag potential issues that humans might overlook, especially in complex designs with many interacting parts. It can simulate extreme conditions like earthquakes, hurricanes, and heavy snow loads to see how a structure will behave. This allows engineers to reinforce weak points long before construction begins. This proactive approach is building stronger, more resilient structures. This technology empowers us to build smarter. With AI handling calculations, engineers can dedicate more brainpower to innovation. They can focus on creating buildings that are more sustainable, using less material without sacrificing strength. They can design structures that are more energy efficient or make better use of natural light. The AI can analyze the entire life cycle of a building, environmental impact of materials, and long-term maintenance costs. This holistic approach leads to buildings that are not just safe, but better for our planet and our wallets. The future of construction is collaborative, where human creativity is amplified by artificial intelligence. These tools empower engineers. By automating repetitive tasks, AI allows engineers to do what they do best: solve problems, innovate, and create. This partnership will lead to breakthroughs we can only imagine. We will build taller skyscrapers, longer bridges, and more ambitious structures, all with a higher degree of confidence and safety than ever before in human history. Ultimately, AI beam calculators are about building a better future: safer schools, more reliable hospitals, and sustainable homes for our families. The future is being built, and it's smarter than ever.